This is a solution to a problem that you don't know you have, a deviated septum. This is a deviated septum, when your nose collapses when you need it most, when you breathe. And this usually happens when you sleep at night or intense exercise. And that's why these nasal strips are a viral product, and athletes use it, celebrities use it, people who snore use it, everybody uses it because it truly is life-changing. I've been using it for over a year, and there's so many things that it literally just improved in my life.